This is the Lékué chef. In case you were wondering, she's the one who always says,
"Make it easy."
Today, the chef has an important mission. Summer has arrived, but everything at the office seems so normal. So it's time to do something to change that. Hey you, have you had any ideas yet?
Of course.
I wonder what she hit us with today.
What are you trying to say?
Oh geez.
Today is gonna be epic.
So the chef gets to work. She starts by making some ice cream and popcorn, sweet and savory. She prepares some grilled sandwiches, so hungry. And now she's making some appetizers. Why do you want so much food?
You will see.
Girl, if you don't tell me, I can't narrate it.
Oops, don't tell anybody. I will prepare a surprise summer party.
What a great idea. It looks amazing.
Thank you. Summer party lista! Yeah!
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, play some music.